Welcome to Options Tender. We are here on Friday. We made it to Friday once again, 2/26/21. Welcome everybody. Before I get into the information for the market today, especially if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. It's the button over there on the bottom right hand corner where the logo is. Hit that subscribe button and then tap the like if you like this information. If you don't like this information, feel free and hit the unlike button. That at least lets me know what's happening, if I'm helping you guys or if I'm not. So let's help spread the word, spread the wealth. Let's get into it. We're going to go on ES on multiple time frames, and I just have 2 trade ideas for you. But all the trade ideas that I've been putting out this whole week, they are ready and primed as soon as the market bounces, or I don't want to say bounce, starts heading to the upside. Okay, because I think this is just about over. All right, so here we go. On the monthly ES, we're in wave 5. Look at that candle there. That's not a very healthy looking candle. Even though everything's facing up, we have a lot of momentum to the upside. We're over the 8MA. No need to get too worried. But let's see how we end the month, see what that candle looks like later. Okay. On the weekly chart, we have also a wave 5. This is the wave 1 we've been looking at. Down to wave 2. We're testing that 8MA and the trend line again. So let's see what happens. Maybe we poke through and come back out winning on this one. It's the end of the month, so all of these, it's the end of the month, end of the week, end of the day. Every single candle is going to matter on this one. So let's see how this ends up. Maybe we'll get a doji, and that will be pretty promising. Those are just guesses, so we're not predicting. We're going to watch price action. We're going to see what happens from there. Let's go on the daily. Daily trend is our friend. On the daily trend, you see we're at confluence here. We have we're underneath the 8MA, we're underneath the 20, we're testing the 50 right now. So not the end of the world. Again, maybe we have a stick save. Maybe we come down, tag that you'll see on the lower time frame. See what I'm talking about? Just to end that A, B, C move correction, and we'll go from there. So momentum's down. Histogram, it's moving on down. So that's the really bearish part. Down on the RSI, looking like we're curving sideways. But let's see where this ends. It would be really nice if we just flushed out and got down to the 0 line so we can work our way back up. But we'll see. And on the 65. We're already starting to make that that curl on the MACD. So that kind of gives me a clue that momentum's changing, because we're even starting to have a divergence on the RSI. So what I'm kind of looking at for this next A, B, C move is a bear flag here. So maybe we can get some sort of flag to this. It was a weak bounce so far. I was expecting a little bit more of a bounce. Even though momentum's down, I was thinking overnight we might have gotten up here. We said that in last night's video, and that's neither here nor there. We bounced, and that's all that matters. But for this B, maybe we oscillate up here just a couple of times, get some sort of A, B, C, D, E, and then drop to the 61.8, because right now we're just oscillating around this 38.25. That's the expected move, and that's real typical. It's like a magnet. So if we can pull through to the downside, and quickly just start bouncing up, that's the hope for the bulls. If this becomes anything more than that, then our bigger bear scenario that we explained last night is intact. But like I said, divergence is happening. We have an A, B, and potential C. But I gotta keep you aware. That's my job, just in case. If it's a big bear move and we're looking for much greater size moves to the downside. This would be in 1, 2, and this would be just getting started. Excuse me. So that'd be just getting started for a longer 3, and then maybe a bounce 4, 5. So you get a 5 wave down all the way down here. So that, and possibly even lower than the monthly. So that would be a whole different scenario. We'd really be getting down and dirty, and but it is what it is. That's what we have to be prepared for. Maybe have some SPY puts and be safe with that. So we have a lot of time on our trades. Personally, I may play this to the downside just for a quick game, day trade, and then move to the upside. But so enough of that. Again, right now, hit that like button if you like this information. I want to make sure that I'm helping you guys out, help guide you through this turmoil. Let's go over RKT. RKT pre-market had earnings. I specifically was looking for this one because this thing has been accumulating. I know one of our, we're going to do an accumulation. Oh my gosh, lost the word. It's early in the morning, guys. So distribution, excuse me, accumulation distribution video. And one of our members has a question on that. And so this one has been basing for a while. Let me go to the daily. You know, it popped up here, but we've had just a movement back and forth, back and forth. And these earnings, you guys, have been phenomenal. Okay? So with these earnings being so well, this is my number one position in my portfolio. And with earnings looking good, but that's, I mean, not a stellar move. I think we're just getting started. Let's see if we can get above this channel and start moving up throughout not only the weeks, but months and possibly years. So I have duration positions on this. I have an in-out spread on this. I hold stock. This is looking really good to me. Okay. And then the only other one is BTC. And so many people are interested in Bitcoin. I'll probably do another daily update on that. But we're starting to form divergence, bullish divergence on this. It looks sort of like an H pattern at this point. An H pattern is almost like the Big Dipper. So you came down here, bounced, and made a slightly lower low while momentum's headed the outside on the RSI and the MACD. Now, this could be a simple A, B, C, but the C move may not be over. I wouldn't be surprised if there was another move down to the trend line or possibly a bigger support down here to make another divergent low. Okay. So divergences, they can happen a couple times before making some sort of reaction. They don't have to happen at all, but that's just probability. This whole game is about probability. So let's see what happens on BTC if we start moving up from here, and if we start making higher highs and higher lows, then the low should be in for now, and then we're looking at targets up in the 60 to 70,000 range so far. Okay, all right. Thanks for joining us. Good luck today. We will see you this weekend and possibly on a tutorial. So hit that like button and subscribe down in the right hand corner if you like this information. Thanks for joining us. Bye.